This is unit number 2, video number 6, starting with nomenclature. We're going to deal with type 1 compounds. So type 1 compounds means that the metal is going to have a fixed charge. So when it means it has a fixed charge, that means it's the charge it's going to have. It's not varying different numbers of or different types of charges. For example, copper can take on many different charges. So therefore, we're not going to deal with the ones that can have many different charges, just the one we know the charge of it, and it's always going to be that charge. So, for example, when we look at the periodic table here, we're going to be dealing with metals. So everything in the column 1 right here is going to be called alkali metals. They're going to have a +1 charge. Moving over to column 2, these are our alkaline earth metals, and these are going to have a +2 charge. Scandium and yttrium are going to be +3. We're going to skip these little guys in here, and we're going to come over until we get to this triangle right here, starting with silver. So we're going to go from silver is going to have a +1 charge. Zinc and cadmium is going to have a +2, and then we're going to do these 3 right here, aluminum, gallium, and indium are all going to have a +3 charge. So when we name these compounds, we've still got to, like we did with ions, we still have got to check our charges. But where they've got fixed charges, naming is relatively simple because we can just state the compound. So for example, if we look, we can do aluminum again. So we know aluminum has a +3 charge. Let's combine it with chlorine, which has a -1 charge. Okay, when we balance these charges out, we end up with a compound that looks like this. Well, where we know the charge of aluminum, we don't have to do anything fancy. So you're just going to state the name. So the name of the metal is aluminum. And then we're going to state the non-metal. Now, the only difference thing we're going to do is the ending isn't going to be aluminum chlorine. We're going to drop that I and E, and we're going to change it to I. So this is going to become aluminum chloride. Okay, so in type 1 metals, in nomenclature, they're relatively simple. You're just, how it looks is how you're going to name it. So this is aluminum, so you're going to state aluminum. We've got chlorine, drop that ending, and add I to it.